Hello everybody, this is Brian, and I am doing a video on beans and beans forks. So there seems to be a lot of popularity, a lot of interest, a lot of talk about these beans projects, and especially the idea that you have to compound 6 days and then eat 1 day. And then there's, the controversy or the idea that maybe I should let it build up a little bit, especially in the first couple of days, and maybe, my longer term results will be better. So my understanding of math initially made me think, okay, as I started watching a lot of these videos on YouTube, was that, yeah, you should let it compound more and not eat, especially on the first 3 weeks where you're withdrawing such a small amount. Just let that small amount now compound, and it'll as it compounds, it'll give fuel to build even bigger down the road. Okay, so the only way to really solve the question as to whether it works or not is to actually create an Excel spreadsheet and then go ahead and figure it all out. So that's what I did here. So this information over here is not related to the conversation, so I'm going to go ahead and hide that. But this is the information here. No, I think I made it a little bit too far to the right, so I want to get it more in the middle of the screen. But this information here, I believe, and of course that's if I made all my formulas correct, which I do believe I did. So highlighted in yellow is where the days that you eat. And I'm going to try to see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Trying to figure out where my zoom is. Here it is. Okay, so highlighted in yellow are the days that you eat. So this column would be the 6-to-1, which everybody talks about. And then I'm proposing the first 27 days that you do all compounds, and then the 28th day you eat. And then, well, actually, it's not 1 to 6, it's 6-to-1. And then you do the 6-to-1. Okay, so again, I've seen other people call it 27,6:1. For the first 27 days, you compound. The 28th day you eat, and then you do what everybody else is doing, is you compound 6 days and eat 1 day. So just want to show you, and in the first couple days, obviously the first 6 days are going to be pretty much exactly because everybody's compounding the first 6 days. Okay, so then when you normally eat and take out, so this is based on a $100 initial, that first 7th day, if you take out that $11.75, that's not going to change your life all that much. Okay, but it makes it $146.93 and then also $146.93 on the 7th day. So now you're building 8% off of that to make that happen there. You're a whole day ahead if you leave that in. Okay, you're a whole day ahead, and then here, okay, you're about $40 up from what I can tell, just kind of quick glancing at that, and you're losing another day there. Okay, so by the time that hits $271.96, now you're 2 days ahead. Okay, so let's look at this. Here, boom. Now you're 3 days ahead. Okay, so you're 3 full days of compounding ahead if you just compound instead of drawing. Okay, so yeah, your first draw is big, and that's smaller. Okay, it's $13 smaller. Okay, and then overall, which the argument is that by the 28th day, yeah, you've pulled out $47 more to your wallet, almost $48 more to your wallet than by doing this method. But look what happens in the future. Okay, the 35th day, you're only $28 ahead. The 42nd day, this method starts taking over. Okay, the method I'm proposing actually does better starting on the 42nd day. Then you're $50 ahead by the 49th day. You're $128 ahead by the 56th day. You're $251 ahead by the 63rd day. Okay, Now, some of these numbers start getting too big for my columns, but I've expanded this column out just to kind of show further how your head. Now, in Excel, if a number is positive, it shows like this. If it's negative, it shows with the parentheses around it. Okay, the parentheses around it, when it goes negative, actually means that the concept that I'm proposing actually starts taking over. Okay, so 3,000, 5,000, 8,000, 13,000, okay? Just 100 days in, okay, 105 days in, you're $5,000 ahead. Now, $5,000, okay, $8,000 the next week, those kind of numbers will start changing your life. If this thing really gets going and stays alive, you know, 161 days, $213,000 more. Okay, so anyway, I'm just proposing this idea. If you're interested in beans and beans projects, I'm going to start doing videos about them. So please like and subscribe to my videos, join my Facebook group, join my email list, start watching my videos, start watching my lives, and start connecting with me and talking with me, and let's get involved in a conversation and help each other make some money. Thank you and have a great day. Bye for now.